So let's go ahead and pull up some charts. Let's talk a little bit about what you're looking for these days and what's been helping keep you consistent as you continue to grow.
Definitely.
All right. What are we looking at? NQ?
Yeah, over here looking at NQ, it's, it's a little, let me take off a couple of things really quick. It's a little crowded here. Sorry about that.
But by the way, while you're going through all of that, who's in this short? I saw some comments and I've got the chart open over here. Anybody in the chat in that short right now?
Yeah, see, I have a signal. This is why I don't always follow these signals. You can see it told me to short on this candle, and right now it's already, kind of.
It's already pulling back
up. Yeah. So, I mean, a possible trade I would have taken waiting to break this low.
Okay.
I guess, or I would either probably wait to break this high. That's where I would wait for right now, honestly.
So ultimately, you're just looking for the extremes and swing points. And are you looking for reversals? Are you looking for breaks, or both?
Really both, because I mean, I'm just doing I'm trying to stick to one trade a day that pays out my account to where I want it to be. I'm trying to just, scalp a trade, which can get me either $100 to $200 on 1 or 2 or 3 accounts. And over time it added up, and it doesn't seem like a lot on the day. I mean, honestly, my goal before when I was trading earlier was $500 a day on each account. And that caused me to do multiple contract sizes because I wanted to scalp. I didn't want to be in a trade too long because they could go against me too quickly. It was a formula of, sometimes I would get lucky. I knew what I was doing enough to where I could balance it out to where I'd break even for most of the time. But with trading the one contract at a time really gives me that space to be able to say, okay, this might go against me, but I'm very confident in my play. It's going to come back to me. Or versus, okay, I can tell based on the, just the price action, this is not going to go my way. Let me just cut my losses and get out of this.
So when you're seeing these key points, right? So of course, these are going to be the extremes of the day or whatever the case may be. What is it that you're looking for to signal you as to whether it's a reversal or a continuation?
Previous highs, previous lows getting broken. So actually, I guess, like the one you called, the short right here, when it broke down, I probably would have taken that.
Yeah.
And then right now, I probably would still be in it. It looks pretty, I don't know. I probably would still be in that short.
Okay. And so, is there a specific pattern that you're looking for once it breaks? Okay, look, we know when it hits a level, there's going to be at least a little bit of a pause. It's like hitting VWAP or EMA or whatever the case may be. We're going to have a reaction to it. So I'm kind of trying to get a sense of, are you looking for any sort of pattern to happen once it hits that key level that says reversal or continuation, or is it just based on what you've seen the price action do leading up to it?
Honestly, it's the price action right at that level. So when I see a price action right at that level, really it would keep trying to push down that level. You can almost see trying to push down, but it won't go. And then that's when I'll take the short if it's pushing down, if it's going down towards a support level and it's about to break that. Versus also sometimes you have something that just shoots right through it. Those I'm not too happy or I'm not too fond about, just because as fast as they shoot through your support, they come right back up as soon as you get in the trade. So I try to tend to stay those. I try to stay to something more. It's okay. It's bouncing off the level a couple of times, and then after we break, I jump in.
And of course, that's sort of the dynamic of hitting levels. You're going to have that retest because, of course, there's going to be liquidity there, and there's going to be a jump either way. So it's trying to figure out where that move's ultimately going.